Hello families, today I'm going to introduce you to the Caterpillar used excavator 330GC equipped with the 1.6 cubic meter bucket. And look at this, the original excavator tracks and painting. So let's check the nameplate first. Its year of manufacture is 2022. Now let's check the undercarriage and tracks. Look at the details. You can find the Caterpillar logo on the tracks. Let's take a look at another side. So this is the undercarriage and the tracks, 100% original. Next, let's check the working hours. 3,307. Now I'm going to show you more details. Here, this is the total operating hours, the engine operating hours, the hydraulic pump, swing motor, and the travel motor. And this is the total fuel usage. It's about 60,000 liters. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's check the hydraulic pump. It is really clean and good condition. There's nothing leaking out. Well protected, well maintained. Okay, now let's check the main control valve and the swing motor. As you can see, all the hydraulic pipelines are clean and original. Finally, the most important part is the engine. Take a look, the Caterpillar C7.1 engine. It is clean and well maintained. And that's all the details about this excavator, Caterpillar 330GC. And about our company, Home Machinery is the authorized Caterpillar excavator dealer for North China. We've built trust with nearly 30 years of industry expertise. As for the Caterpillar used excavator, we have all kinds of different models. They are all well protected and maintained. We don't fake the working hours, and we can provide equipment inspection reports for every used excavator. If you wish to buy a trustworthy used excavator, please contact us. Thank you, my friends.